Hey everyone, today we are whipping up something truly indulgent yet completely vegan, double chocolate cookies. So let's dive right into the recipe. In a mixing bowl, add 40 grams of softened vegan butter, then add 60 grams of light brown sugar. Using hand blender, cream butter and sugar together until smooth and creamy, just like this. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract in 1 teaspoon of instant coffee. Mix until it dissolves. Then add in creamed butter and sugar mixture. Mix with blender until well combined. Let's check. It has blended very well and is very smooth in texture. Looks perfect. In a large mixing bowl, sift 140 grams of whole wheat flour, 80 grams of cocoa powder, add 1/4 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, now gradually add the dry ingredient mixture into the wet ingredients. Mix until it gets combined. Using hands, bring the cookie mix together. Check the consistency by holding the mix between hands. If it holds together, it is good to go with. If not, mix for another minute. Add half of coconut milk at first, mix it well, and then add other half and mix again. Cookie dough is well combined and has perfect consistency. Time to take this to the next level of chocolatey goodness. Fold in 70 grams of chopped vegan chocolate until evenly distributed throughout the dough. Using a spoon or cookie scoop, portion out the dough and place it onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving some space between each cookie. Place cookie tray in fridge for 30 minutes. While our cookies are resting in fridge, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. It has been 30 minutes. Take out the cookies from fridge. Rest for 5 minutes at room temperature. Once oven is heated, pop these beauties into the oven and bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Or until the edges are set. Allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them. And there you have it, vegan double chocolate cookies ready to be enjoyed. These cookies are perfect for satisfying those chocolate cravings while being entirely plant-based. Thanks for joining me today. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more delicious content. Until next time, happy baking!